Hi guys, I just want to thank you for registering for our course and just kind of walk you through what to expect here. We are constantly going to be adding videos, email changes literally every day. And so we are going to continue to add content to this course, and we hope you'll find an incredible amount of value. If you follow along from start to finish, we're going to give you the tools that it takes to number one, build your list, scrape your list, find out the niches that you really want to approach. List cleaning. We want to show you exactly how to clean your list and tell you exactly why that's important. We're going to also show you how to use one of the tools called Woodpecker that actually sends emails for you and manages that whole sending for you. We want to talk a little bit about email delivery. We're going to tell you about what a warm SMTP server is, what seed email lists are, and how you can use those to help get your emails delivered. As far as launching your campaign and writing your first email, we're going to show you that, and we're going to have some bonus content and bonus offers for those of you who complete the course and are excited to kind of get started. We're going to have a special offer toward the end that we'll tell you about that will include everything into one. So good luck. It's really not going to take you too much time. It's a pretty easy watch. There's really not too long of videos. I try to keep it, straight and to the point. But again, I want to thank you for joining us, and we look forward to working together in the future. Okay? Thanks.